For nearly a century, Electrical Equipment Company has supported industrial automation across sectors, from textile mills to high-speed manufacturing lines. Through that experience, one truth stands out. Industrial control panels are the heartbeat of modern automation. These panels act as the central nervous system of operations, uniting power, control, and intelligence to convert real-world data into precise action. At their core is the programmable logic controller, a rugged industrial computer that reads inputs from sensors, executes programmed logic, and directs outputs like pumps, motors, and valves. Working alongside it is the human-machine interface, the operator's window into the process. With clear displays of pressures, flows, and alarms, the HMI enables real-time decisions and safe, efficient operation. Supporting it all is reliable power distribution, disconnects for safety, transformers for voltage conversion, and power supplies for stable DC output. Together, these elements make the control panel a seamless ecosystem of intelligence and protection. EECO emphasizes organization, safety, and craftsmanship, ensuring panels are built for longevity and easy maintenance through clean wiring, logical layouts, and accurate documentation. After nearly 100 years, EECO's mission remains the same: to help industries operate smarter, safer, and stronger through innovative design and trusted partnership. An industrial control panel isn't just hardware, it's the living core of automation, bringing decades of engineering evolution to life.